Hello, welcome back to GHANAFUNTUBE. So today's video, I just want to share my creativity journey with you guys. So I start looking for this 4,000 watch time about 12 months ago with my iPhone 11 Pro, which I still use to live stream a lot. And I also use this phone to record or film food contents, especially when you're in a restaurant. You can't use your camera, big cameras. So this is just the beginning. Let me take you through the whole process, how I got to the 4,000 watch time and how we got to where we are today. So let's dive into the video. So in 2021, when the pandemic actually got worsened, work was kind of all right. My previous job was kind of boring. So I have a lot of spare time in my hand, and I still have my YouTube channel. I started YouTube like 2009, but my second channel, this one, about 2012. But I stopped creating due to work and some personal stuff. So during the pandemic, I got a lot of time in my hand. So I just thought, this is a perfect time to start creating again. And during the process, it was very difficult because, I wasn't the type of person who hold cameras and talk to audience or share stories. I'm somebody who just create videos without me talking in the background, like kind of like a creative director kind of stuff. But suddenly something kind of tell me I kind of have a kick that I need to start sharing content. Talking to audience. People out there might actually like what I do. So I tried it. I start with a topic called neighborhood tour. And if you part of GHANAFUNTUBE and you watch how I started vlogging with the iPhone. I was just walking around the neighborhood, telling you guys how the neighborhood looked like. And then during those few videos, it was very difficult. The first one was very, very tough because I was shaking, I was nervous. It was quite a hard work, like to build confidence through a camera is something that's, if you're watching this channel, it's possible, you can do it. I never thought I would be this confident till I start holding the camera and talking to fans. Yeah, and it got there, then I start creating. Every week I start creating. Then it got to a time where I have to travel to Ghana alone, which was very difficult because I haven't been on a plane alone for a long time. And then at the time going to Ghana, I told GHA I want to film the whole process. So I only got a phone. I don't have any camera gadget with me.